Hello my dear friends, this is Rex from BigSeller. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to customize template for packlist and picklist. We can go to BigSeller, setting, template settings, or the template, and we'll see these two options for packlist and picklist. Click edit to customize it, and we'll see this page. As usual, some options you can select, check it and show it. And I may want to introduce this one if you want to print it with only text or with picture. You can see here the pictures. Okay, and others like store product or merchant SKU, some very tiny differences. Okay, this is the pack list and save it. Also for the pick list, very similar. Simplify template, only text or with pictures. And also some options. And save it and it will be activated. So that's all for the video today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications. Thank you. Bye.